There are currently 4 mythic shotguns in the Fortnite loot pool, and today we're going to be figuring out which one is the best for Zerobuild players. In our mythic lineup, we have the Outlaw Shotgun, the Twinfire Auto Shotgun, the Sentinel Pump Shotgun, and the Pump and Dump Shotgun SMG combination. To try and get the most accurate results, I'm going to try and use the same loadout every single game. It will look something like this: a mythic shotgun in my first slot, a gray or green AR, SMG, or pistol in my second slot, a healing item in the third slot, and 2 slots open for mobility. I've also created a 3-tier scale to rate each shotgun based on player skill level. To give my final opinion, I'm going to be factoring in things like difficulty of use, weapon stats, in-game fight scenarios, and the damage dealt at the end of each game. Make sure to stick around the entire video to find out which shotgun proves to be the king. Alright guys, to kick off this portion of the video, we're going to be landing here at the Crime City Black Market to get the mythic Outlaw Shotgun and just test it out. So some things to keep in mind are I'm only going to be using a gray or green AR, SMG, or pistol just so we can focus most of our attention on the shotgun. This real quick. Nice, we got a gray one. Pickaxe that guy, whatever. Okay, so like I was saying, we're gonna get a gray or green AR so we can focus more on the shotgun damage and things like that. At the end of the match, we're gonna total up our damage alongside what I believe to be this is on a scale of easiness to use. Okay, nice. We got a gray SMG. Beautiful. Holy, it's an actual player. Jeez, man. Just me right here. Got him. I mean, you can see from the damage right there that this shotgun doesn't deal the greatest damage. Some of its advantages are fire rate and reload speed. Alongside, when you buy the shotgun, it does say that you don't get penalized as much for sprinting and jumping while shooting. The pellet spread is a lot less. I don't know if I can actually tell a difference. I mean, maybe some people can, but I can't personally. Disadvantages is that it has 2 shots. Obviously, that's not the greatest when you have these other shotguns in the game with, you know, 5 shots, 7 shots. The mythic pump and dump SMG, you have a shotgun and an SMG combined. So looking at it through that perspective, it's not the greatest. But we are gonna see what we can do with it. I think this is just a bot. We'll text that. Oh my gosh. Just a bot. Sounds like this guy's fighting the armored truck. Yeah, push me, push me. Pop this chug though. Oh no, I'm stuck. Reload. Back in. Bro. Got him. We got him. Woo. This shotgun does not hit hard enough, man. Not for me. That much I do know. Someone else is behind me, I think. Get rid of his car. Yeah, blow it up, blow it up. That's good, that's good. Oh, man. Got him, there we go. Oh, that one has 200. There we go. Oh no, after reload. Oh my god, this guy's playing Assassin's Creed on me. What a legend. He really was wall kicking over my head. Healing, buddy. Try to finish him off. Nice. It's so risky doing that. This isn't one of those shotguns you can just do that with and win. 50-50s are a lot harder. Bots. This guy might not be what it is. Got him. I blink. Blink. Oh, man. How? How did he not die? How is my hip fire just so off right now? That's what I'd like to understand. He's gonna go for the car, I think. No. I'm not letting you go, buddy. I have all that mobility too. Into the car, though. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna lose you. Just about out of medkit. Might as well just get him out of the game. $74. The shotgun feels really good sometimes. Most of the time, though, it does not. Holy. Finally, I got that guy. $17 that far? Nice. I'm actually surprised the range hit him. Yeah, there he is. Looking for some decent damage there. Bro. Right now. Let's go! Alright, there it is. The mythic Outlaw Shotgun. Let's check out our damage. Okay, so 15 kills. Some of those were bots, definitely. Total damage 4,661. Some of that was from the AR, but again, I tried to focus more on the shotgun, so that will add to our tally. And putting this on the scale, rating it of east to use, I would have to put it at probably intermediate. It's definitely like intermediate to beginner. If I had to pick one over the other, I would say intermediate though, because it doesn't do that much damage. It's a little harder to use versus some of the other weapons in the game. You definitely have to know when to take your shots and when to get away so you can reload, because most of the time you're not able to kill somebody with just those 2 shots. But yeah, I'm gonna have to say it's on intermediate, and there's our damage right there, the 4,661. So let's jump into the next shotgun. All right, jumping into the next shotgun, we're going to go ahead and get the Mythic Pump and Dump SMG combination here at the black market in Crime City. Kind of the same process here. I mean, you just go for the dill bit, and then you can buy it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Looks like we've got some people coming here, though. Nope, we're good, we're good. Somebody in here? Doesn't work. Here, come through. No? Might have been a bot, I'm not sure. Okay. So, let's check this out here. Here it is, the Mythic Pump and Dump SMG. Same thing, we're gonna carry double mobility, heals, and a gray or green AR. No, I think we're gonna buy some more. Why not, right? Need some big pots too. Okay, so taking 50-50s with the Mythic Pump and Dump SMG. Honestly, I would say it's not even really a 50-50. It's more like a 70-30. 70% chance of winning, 30% chance of dying. I think because, you know, you have a shotgun that hits really hard, 160 headshot damage, plus the SMG that I think does like 27 or 29 body damage. And they work together when you're spraying. So, I mean, as long as you're hitting most of your shots, I feel like it's not that hard to win fights with this. But again, we're gonna test that out here. There he is. Look at that headshot damage. 256, man. Ooh, that's some good damage right there. I think this is a bot. Wait, do bots snipe? I'm not sure. Oh, the damage is crazy on this gun. I have definitely underestimated the pump and dump. And if you guys don't know, Fortnite recently updated the mythic pump and dump to where it does 10 more headshot damage. Before it was 150, now it's 160, and they buffed the body damage. I'm not quite sure what that one was. But 160 headshot damage with this shotgun is really good. I would say that's really good. I mean, the Mythic Outlaw Shotgun only does 165 headshot damage. So, I mean, there it is right there, 165. And it has good range, too. So, in comparison to the Mythic Outlaw, I mean, you deal 5 less headshot damage, but then you have an SMG on top of that, plus the range is even better. Here, come over here. Nice little damage there. I'm dead. Oh, I landed in the water. No way. Yeah, you're done now. Wow. That was so lucky. Thank you, game. Thank you. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, he's in here. Buddy's gonna be trapped. Doesn't hurry and get out. Oh, yeah. I mean... that's just crazy. This shotgun SMG thing is insane. Need to reload. Get this bot real quick. Is he gonna chase me? He's in there too. What the heck? Oh yeah, free damage. Free damage, man. Oh, buddy just got wiped off the face of the planet right there. No, you're not. Maybe you are. 116. Nice. Get me away from this guy. Maybe. The only thing is I don't have anything to counter if he hits me with the bat. No, he's going to the next one. What is happening here? Need to reload. That was sick. Reload this one. There we go, we're good. 50-50s are not even scary whatsoever. Wow. Like, I feel so confident. Even if they have full HP pushing me like that. Buddy, are you kidding me? It's fine. You know what? Reload real quick. Doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter. That's what I mean about the 50-50s with this thing. It's so good. Oh no, he's got one too. That was kind of scary, not gonna lie. Oh, he's definitely gonna try and bat me off. Oh yeah! Easy win, easy win. Okay, I mean, Mythic Pump and Dump SMG. Man. This item is actually insane. Okay, so 14 eliminations with 3,391 damage, but the AR damage was a lot less than the previous Mythic Outlaw, so I mean, most of that damage came from the Pump and Dump SMG, and we had one less kills, so I mean, this item is broken, completely broken. And to put it on the scale of ease to use, I'm gonna have to say probably, again, like beginner to intermediate. It's hard to pinpoint it. But you don't have to ADS with it, and really you just hold both triggers down to spray. So maybe even beginner. It's pretty easy to use, and it does a crazy amount of damage. So there it is, Mythic Pump and Dump SMG. We will move on to the next shotgun right now. All right, moving on to the next shotgun. We're going to try and get the Mythic Sentinel Pump shotgun. If you don't know how to get it, you can heist it from the train. It's pretty easy. You just have to hope that nobody else lands with you. There might be a couple people landing here, maybe not. Okay, anyways, you just have to take out these two turrets on the train, and then, yeah, it's the easiest vault to get, definitely. And you get a Mythic Pump shotgun out of it, so. Pretty insane. Come on. Come on, this is going to be so close. It's going to be so close. That'll work. That will work. There's a couple of those. Honestly, I should heal first. Go. Definitely a bot. Uh-oh. There we go, GG. I had to rely more on my SMG right there, but it's fine. I need to get better loot, or more mobility. So far, as you can tell, the pump, it does pretty good damage. It's a harder hitting shotgun for sure. But it's also harder to use than any of the other shotguns, I would say. So like right there, 119. That's just body damage too. Headshot is 205, so that is really good. I mean, you have to hit your shot pretty precisely to get all those pellets to connect, but the pump is really good. It's hard to use if you're newer to the game, I would say. If you've been playing Fortnite for a while, I'd say that you probably have a pretty good idea on how to use a pump. Now we can fight. There's a lot of bots this game. I don't know why. Someone else? Oh, they're inside. Car away from him. Oh, he has a pad, bro. He has a pad. Hello? Nice. Got him. Nice damage there. There's a car over here, too. Let's go push this guy. Until he gets back in the car. Yep. Reload. He's gonna run. You're done. You're done swinging that bat around, buddy. Let's see how much this has. Nice. Is this guy real? See, look at that damage. Just look at it. Yeah. Expect me to go down there? Man, he knew exactly where I was going to be. Right behind here. Oh, this bot? I'm stuck. Jeez, man. Oh my. You're done, buddy. The pump was so clutch right there. If I had any other shotgun, I would not have won. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, how? Oh, he died to the bug. I got it. Nice. Bro. There we go. Using the pump and dump SMG combo, but alright, well, GG. Must have been a bot or something, but there it is, the Sentinel Pump shotgun. Let's take a look at our damage this game. So our damage was 4,637. I'm pretty sure a majority of that came from the AR once again. Just because, like, the pump shotgun, it's a little harder to use. You can't spray with it. It's just a one pump type of deal. Rating this shotgun, I would have to put it all the way at the top at advanced. If you haven't really used too many pump shotguns, or you're not used to that kind of play style with a shotgun, it's difficult to get used to. When I started Fortnite, I had never used pump shotguns quite like these. But yeah, I'm gonna have to say it's rated at advanced, and yeah, our damage was pretty good. Our kills weren't nearly as much as the other two. Or wait, no, it's only off by like 3. So yeah, GG's. We are going to move on to our last shotgun, which is the Twinfire Auto shotgun, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, moving on to the last shotgun. We're gonna go here to Crime City and buy the Twinfire Auto shotgun. You can get a gold one for 800 gold, which is pretty nice. And then we're gonna try and get the mythic one, and you get that from heisting one of the armored vehicles. Somebody's on the other side. That's fine. That is just fine. Okay, it's a purple one this time. You know what? Still just as good, right? Nobody came in? Interesting. I think this is just a bot. Maybe, maybe not. Is oh man, it's the pistol. Just the pistol. There we go. Mythic Twinfire shotgun. Wonderful. Hey, little buddy. Oh, beautiful blaze. He was not expecting that one, was he? No sirree, Bob. Okay, so speaking on 50-50s with this shotgun, I feel super confident doing it because it does so much damage so quickly, and it's a spray shotgun as well, so that is pretty huge. Potential for some kills here. Nice. I'll have to spray him with my AR. Still someone else driving around in the car. That's what I mean about the 50-50 though. It's just, it's so easy to get a kill. You don't need to crack someone with an AR. You can just jump right in. Let's see what this guy's plan is. Wow. gonna do now? We're gonna have the bot spray down, right? Oh, man. Yeah, I don't know why you got in there. It's gonna rocket out, I think. Nope. GG. Easy. Easy 50-50. Got him. Somehow we didn't hit the bot. Nice. 6 shocks too. Oof. God. There he is. Oh, he has that, bro. I forgot that's even in the game. GG's. I'm just gonna have to spray him out of this guy. He's just gonna keep running. GG. Mythic Twinfire Auto Shotgun. I know that wasn't as many kills as the other games, but it's a lot harder to get this mythic. But let's take a look at our damage. 3,709. A lot of that I think came from the shotguns. I know I had a purple one, but we're just gonna count it as a combined damage. So that's pretty good. Rating this shotgun, I would give it a beginner friendly rating because it's very easy to use. You can spray and miss some of your shots and you won't be penalized too much. But yeah, I will give it a beginner level rank, and yeah, just a great shotgun overall. I really like it. So that wraps it up, and we'll get into the details right after this. Coming in 4th place, we have the Outlaw Shotgun. Probably not a surprise to anybody there. This shotgun could use a major buff in my opinion. The damage is really low. The range is not great. It does have some advantages like we saw in the video, but overall, I'm gonna have to rate it at number 4. I rarely pick this shotgun up. Sometimes I will, like I said, if I find a mythic mammoth pistol or something along those lines. But overall, it's just not that great. So the Outlaw Shotgun is number 4. In 3rd place, we have the Sentinel Pump Shotgun. Now this might come as a surprise to some of you guys, but please remember that this is my own personal opinion. I think that it's a great shotgun. It hits really hard. However, it's not as advantageous as it is in builds than it is in zero builds. For example, if you miss one of your shots and your opponent has a Twinfire or a pump and dump, they're able to continuously spray you while you're trying to gather yourself to hit the next pump shot, or you're switching to your next weapon. Even if it's just those milliseconds that they're continuing to spray you, you're not doing damage to them. So for that reason, I'm gonna have to put it in 3rd place. Along with, it's harder to use than it is than the other shotguns if you're new to the game. If you're a brand new player, you might not know how to hit those pump shots, especially headshots where it counts the most. So yeah, we're gonna put the Sentinel Pump Shotgun in 3rd place. In 2nd place, we have the Twinfire Auto Shotgun. Now, I think that this shotgun is insane. It does a ton of damage. You have 7 shots. It's comparable to the Auto Shotgun that was introduced in Chapter 5, Season 1. I think that the damage is pretty similar. It does have a slower reload rate than maybe some of the other shotguns, but you have those 7 shots to, you know, spray your opponent down and do a lot of damage. I love this shotgun. I think that it's great. So we're going to put it in 2nd place. And in 1st place, guys, we have the pump and dump SMG shotgun combination. I was so surprised to put this as number 1, but it took me recording this video to figure out how good this weapon really is. The shotgun doing 160 headshot damage alone, plus the SMG that you're spraying in the other hand makes this weapon an overall powerhouse, especially in Zerobuild. Plus the reload speed on top of that, it can't be beat. There are so many fights that I jump into confidently without, you know, spraying my opponent beforehand with an AR or cracking them with a mammoth pistol. That confidence alone, it can't be beat in the other shotguns. So I'm putting it as number one. Let me know in the comments if you guys would agree with that, or if you already knew how good it was. But honestly, I did not. I rarely pick up the pump and dump SMG, but the more that I use it, the better that I know that it is, that I see that it is. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I had a ton of fun making it, and there's just so much love in me for you guys that are here watching this. And yeah, I really appreciate every single one of you. I will see you in the next video. Peace.